Bobbe Sura liegt im Bett mit der Schmatte ziegedeckt. Oi, wei, gem mich tag. Agitnan!
Shalom Aleichem, Shalom Aleichem.
I'm here with my cousin, the singer, Rikki Rose.
It's me. What's up, guys? So, was gehen wir an? Was tun wir an? Was reden wir an? Was geht vor?
Ich gehe kicken auf unsere beliebste Wörter in Yiddish.
Und die beliebste Wörter in Yiddish. Beliebste ist mein beste Wort. Es ist mein beliebste. Beliebste ist nicht mein beliebste Wort. Es ist nicht mein favorite Wort. Ich habe besser lieb das Wort favorite.
Ja.
Ich weiß nicht, was. Beliebste hört sich ein bisschen so, was du gesagt? Beliebste ist für? Chunky.
Chunky, ja.
Beliebste hört sich ein bisschen so chunky, ein bisschen grob. Nicht grob, nicht prost, grob. Du weißt, redet man schon von grob. Grob ist einer von meinen beliebsten Wörtern, ja.
Von was?
Grob. Also wie dachte ich an das Wort grob? So funny.
It's funny.
Grob, weißt du, was ich meine? So, nicht, wir können es austatschen andere Wegen. Bei uns grob, auch gemeint grob. Fat, basically. Es ist ein bisschen offensive. So du was nützen, also so wie, der redest pro, der redest grob. Wie weißt du denn?
Nein, ich hab's mal gehört, wie fat.
So wie grob, so wie fat, ja.
Ja.
But in der Welt, das ist in der chassidische Welt, nützt man es nur auf dem, but in der Welt nützt man es als ein Reden prost. Reden nicht grob. So wir reden nicht prost, oder either like dirty or inappropriate or whatever. Was noch? Was ist dann beliebste Wort?
Lachele-veinele.
Lachele-veinele. I like that. Lachele-veinele, lachele... Was meint lachele-veinele?
Ja, ich mache das Maß besanfahrt, weil halt singen. Lachele-veinele ist eine lacht im weint selben Mal. Und du musst schon eine weint und eine macht sein Lachen in der Mitte und sie fangen zu lachen, dann muss seine sei a lachele-veinele, es ist ein Noun, als ein Mensch ist das.
Ja, wenn du musst sagen, kann ich lachen und plötzlich ich lach von einer dark joke und ich lach a bittere Gelächter, also wenn man lacht. Also ich meine, jetzt bin ich a lachele-veinele.
Ja. Es ist auch nicht für Kinder, wenn sie weinen, sie schreien, eine Kitzel sein, weil sie einfach so fangen und sie lachen und sie haben noch Tränen in den Augen.
Ja, lachele-veinele.
So geht das Wort.
So geht das Wort.
Und wir können es nicht übersetzen zu Englisch, nicht immer so, aber...
Nein, nicht du. Cryele, laughele in English.
Yeah, but you're still using the Yiddish diminutive ending of the law.
Trying to translate.
Laughy cry.
Laughy cry.
I think.
Yeah, no, it doesn't.
It doesn't work.
Doesn't
It
work
sounds
in English.
so stupid.
Another word that I like is moidedig.
Yeah. Good word.
Well, moidedig is moidedig.
Can't argue with that.
Moidedig is moidedig. Moidedig is used in place of also gewaldig, which it means amazing, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's the best way to explain it.
Yeah.
When something is amazing. Wow, gewaldig. Wow, moidedig. But when you say the actual meaning of moidedig is scary, but it's used in a way where it's like amazing. Like, wow, scary good.
Yeah, yeah.
So
exactly.
Like, wow, moidedig, wow. Your turn.
Okay. Strashenen.
That's a good one. Strashenen.
So dus doe ik een enkele wat erbij. It's nicht threat.
Threaten?
It's nicht threat.
Nicht threaten, nein.
Well, a threat, you're actually going to pull through with what you're saying.
But it could mean, it depends how you're using it. You can use it, gestrashet, als ooit...
Ja, man kann,
you know?
aber es ist auch nur eine andere Weg für das Nutzen, also wie es dann zu beschrecken.
Like when someone's giving the silent treatment or... strashe, as in, it's basically
Empty threats.
Empty threats.
Empty threats, but both people are aware it's an empty threat, but it's enough of a jump scare for the person to actually do what the person wants them to do.
Yeah. Let's see, what else is my favorite Yiddish word? Obviously, moira evra boisai.
Oh, yeah.
It's not really Yiddish. Even though moira technically is also like a mix of Hebrew and Yiddish, because moira is
Yiddish is like
Yiddish.
15% Hebrew.
Yeah. So moira v'raboisai is Hebrew. It means like teachers. It means teachers and our teacher. Moirai, basically our teachers and our. But you say it in a crowd, like, hey guys, what's up? You say moira v'raboisai when you want to talk to a crowd, ladies and gentlemen. But you're just saying teachers and rabbis. Teachers and rabbis. And you're addressing everybody, because everybody can be a teacher or a rabbi. Pulling out the Pirkei.
Honestly, that's a good one.
Yeah, so I like Moira Rabosai. I say it all the time on stage. It's a very good phrase to say, to get like the crowd to like, ladies and gentlemen, to get something started.
Yeah, it's kind of the equivalent.
Moira Rabosai, attention, attention.
It's kind of the equivalent, but not really.
Yeah.
It's used in the same way, even though it means something else.
How would you say it in a different way in Yiddish? Address like a crowd, ladies and gentlemen. That means our dear gathered.
It's so formal. I've never actually heard that being executed.
At like a play in school. Mamis.
Hi, mamas and babas, yeah. Like
Mamas fin zukünftige deures.
Okay, keep in mind, I left top mid when I was like 7.
Oh, okay. I mean, that makes sense, yeah.
So the Chushiva mamas and babas kind of
you
thing.
You didn't have to do that.
I did remember that.
We didn't do it either in Big Vatsoin. It was a very formal Satmar thing. In Big Vatsoin, we were way more casual. What other Yiddish words?
In Bachlimvit.
In Bachlimvit, wow.
Or in Baparit.
In Baparit, wow, that's a good one.
In Bachlevshket.
In Bachlevshket. All of them means what?
It means the same thing. It's like.
Is there an English word for it?
No.
I feel like there isn't.
There is no English word for it.
In Baparit, mama.
Try explaining it to an audience of non-Yiddish speakers. Do you think you could?
How do you explain imbaparet? Okay, so imbaparet is like. How would you explain?
Okay. Someone who just cannot manage anything. They cannot manage their life, their emotions, their family.
Oh, I have a good way of saying it. Can I curse?
I'll bleep it.
Okay. Someone who can't get their together.
Yes.
But like, not just can't get they're also clumsy at the same time, and just everything's flying, and they can never like clean up. Something's always spilling. The kids are always schlepping something's hacking, something's plopping. Jackie makes like a hop, a flop. That's
everything is just falling off them and around them and just falling apart. Like where they step, something goes wrong. Speaking of lachele-veinele, my eyes are watering.
Lachele-veinele.
But yeah, and for some reason, there's always like a pot that's bubbling over on the stove in Baparet's house.
Burning.
Yeah.
The opposite of imbaparet, which is another good word, is balabusta.
Yes. Oh, that is such a good word.
Yes, when a woman is like a balabusta, which means everything is in place, and she's cooking a whole lot and hosting, and everything's clean, and you can be the same. You can be both.
Yeah, you could go through stages of life where you're either
depends
one.
What's happening. If there's way too much happening, you can be the best balabusta, but sometimes you're still going to be a little imbaparet. Yeah. Especially if you don't have help.
Yeah. You can also just have it imbaparet day, week, month.
Right.
Like,
wow.
That brings to another really good word, the word nebuch. Because like nebuch, her, but
nebuch is another good one. Nebuch.
There's two ways. There's the adjective and then there's the noun. If nebuch someone, so for instance, someone's like, oh, they're not feeling well, and you're like, oh, nebuch, and they're using it as an adjective, then it's good because it's like for them, you feel,
right.
You feel bad that they're going through something. You're empathetic, but then there's someone who's a nebuch.
That's very negative.
Extremely.
A nebuch, which means they are a like a charity case, like
Yes. Yeah.
like nebuch, like they are someone to have pity on.
Yeah.
Technically, nebuch means there is no English word for it. Wow, there's no English word for it. Nebuch. There's a Spanish word for it. I feel like dito, but I don't know. I
Is
just
it
learned
the
it in
equivalent?
Duolingo.
Ah.
But it's also like when I asked my Spanish coworkers that I used to work with what it means, they would say when I would, let's say if I wasn't feeling well, they'd be like, ay dito, like it means like poor baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's
So
the adjective nebuch, not the noun nebuch.
right, not the noun. No.
Yeah. So there could be equivalents for one or the other because they don't mean the exact same thing.
Right, exactly.
So different languages
it's
could
not-
have.
Yeah, it just implies the same thing basically.
Yeah. It comes originally
And
from the
another
Czech
thing
word.
to say when someone's going through something, we say shefele, which I also love.
Yeah, but shefele is also much more sweet and empathetic and
right.
whatever.
Nebuch is more like you're pitying them. Shefele is more empathetic.
Yeah, it literally comes from the Czech word nebohi, meaning sadness. Like it's.
Oh, I didn't know. You know the origin and everything.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh wow. So that's sad.
Yeah. Like if you're looking at a nebuch, you literally look at them as someone who's a sad person.
Oi.
You know?
Oi gevald.
Yeah.
Oi gevald is also a good word.
Oh, that's great.
But shefele is a great word because it's so sweet. It's like sheep, but little sheep. Like
Yeah, little
shefele,
sheep.
like little like baby sheep. Oh, baby sheep, you're sicky.
Yeah.
Shefele, you're sick. Some people say bubbele.
Yeah, bubula.
Bubbele, shefele. I like shefele better. So
Yeah.
it's like little baby sheep.
Oh,
Okay.
shefele is much nicer than bubula.
Yeah. Bubbele is also like almost like bubby or I don't know. Bubbele.
Yeah.
Sounds like baby. It's basically baby.
Yeah. But it comes from the word bubby, doesn't it?
Comes from
I don't even
I
know.
wonder. I know. I think it's both. But the bubbele, Bobbe ken ik geen en die bubbele. You ever heard the Alte Bobbe little poem he does with the bubbele and the bubbele?
No. I feel like
Which
I'm not
both
getting half
are-
the references
it's the
you're
same.
making. Oh, is it?
Yeah, because we grew up in a different dynamic. That's probably why. Even though we're cousins, we grew up in
Yeah.
very different dynamics.
Yeah.
Your parents were like the rebels versus I am the rebel. So
Yeah.
your
that
parents
makes all the
kind of grew up
difference.
like I did.
Yeah. My parents definitely grew up
Yeah.
more similar. Yeah. Especially my dad. Because
Right.
he related to my
Yeah.
dad. My dad's
Yeah.
side.
Basically, her dad and her dad's mother and my mother are sisters. So a lot of similarities in how we grew up.
Yeah.
So what else? Oi gevald. Gevald is a great word. Gevald is gevald. Mamasha gevald. Is there a translated English word for it?
It's like,
It's like bewildered.
yes.
Gevald.
But it could also be used the same way people use like jeepers.
What's jeepers?
Like an exclamation of like, ah, you know, like
I've never heard
like,
that
oh
word
no.
jeeper.
Like jeepers, you know?
Is that a new generation thing?
No, I don't know the new generation things.
Oh. Jeepers. Okay, I've never heard of that. It's like, yeah, an exclamation point. It's like, oh, gevald! It doesn't need a meaning. You could just scream it just like that.
Yeah, like, oh no.
It's like, oh God.
Yes.
Kind of like that.
Yes, probably a better example than jeepers.
Yeah. Okay. Jeepers. Oh, jeepers.
Jeepers is actually a really old-fashioned word.
Oh, yeah? You have an old soul.
I don't know, I guess so.
Wow.
So the next part is superstitions in Yiddish.
Superstitions in Yiddish. Wow, there's so many.
And in Hasidic culture in general. We grew up with a ton of superstitions.
Oh, yeah.
Some of which still came from Europe, and some of I don't even know where the hell they came from.
So many. I don't know. Some of them actually are like not like they're Jewish, but I also heard it in the outside world.
Yeah.
Like someone told me, yeah, I know this one too, and he's not Jewish.
Mm.
So, I guess some of them are worldly.
Yes, that's possible.
Which ones are your most absurd ones that you could think of?
Okay, the one that first comes to mind for me is "Man macht nicht kein Lachenbräut."
I never heard that one. Lachen brood?
Yeah, like, man macht nicht, man isst Brot mit einem Slice von Brot. Man macht nicht kein Lachen in der Mitte.
Hm.
Deswegen der Beiß am Mikdash, ich weiß nicht, was ich was.
It's like in the back of my head, something.
And like, the kleine Hasidic kids would, you know, they would be at lunch and they would, like in Satmar, and they would be serving lunch or breakfast because, you know, in Satmar school they also give breakfast at school.
Right, right.
And they would kind of hold up the bread and they would make a hole, but then they would also make like they would tear it going all the way to the end so that, and then put it back together so you couldn't see that it wasn't actually a hole in the middle.
Oh, and then they would do the thing with their mouth?
No, they would go, "Guess I'm gonna lachenbrood. Was ist denn macht ein Lachenbrood bis man schicke bis drei? Finished." Like pull it apart.
That's so funny. I only remember this game with the matzah if it's broken or not. It's vrachen.
Oh yes, I forgot. You just unlocked the hidden memory of mine. Forgot about the matzah.
It's like a thing where you break the matzah and you push it back together. It's like a cracker basically, and so it looks like it's not broken, and you ask, "Is it broken?" and you have to guess if it's broken or not. And
yeah. It's basically the same idea as the lachenbrood game the kids used to run around.
I don't remember that one.
How?
I remember something about the lach, but I don't remember.
I don't remember exactly what the superstition behind it is though. Something about Bais Hamikdash, or I don't even know exactly what. Yeah, that could very well be it.
Anything that goes wrong can be a lachele-veinele, basically.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, my favorite one is es steidig bekommt man grobe Fies. If you eat standing, you get fat feet.
I grew up with that one too. I was so scared as a kid because I thought the food just like drops straight down from your mouth to your ankles.
That's exactly how our digestive system works.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
At least that's what they wanted us to think.
Yeah, that's so funny. Yeah? And also the whole idea of who says grobe Fies is nicht schein. Wer gesagt, ich will haben grobe Fies.
Ja, solange daran, they pachen de schrecken ins. Maar even nicht kan in weinig.
Oh. Am even das Schirm in weinig, geht regenen bei der Tag von der Gassene.
Yep, that's the one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mijn broer eerst gassene gehad. En ik heb hem gevraagd, hast du geöffnet? Schirm in weinig in haar leven val. So guys, come that gassene tog in, you know, we gotta know what the weather's gonna be. Yeah, it didn't rain. No.
Zeiste? So ja, Schirm in weinig. Was noch? Was soll ich sagen? Oh, man tun nicht übergehen a window?
Yes.
Wusste das, but ich denke nicht, was man gesagt the consequences.
Man gaat nog maar kunnen wachsen.
Oh, dezelfde met übergehen a Mensch.
Yes. Man gaat über a Mensch, yeah.
Man gaat über a Mensch. Like if someone's lying on the floor, you're jumping over him, then that person's not gonna grow anymore. Was noch? What other superstitions?
So, man trekt nicht auf a Nägel.
Man trekt nicht auf Nägel, yes. And what's the consequence for that? Something only women know?
Yes, because it'll cause a miscarriage.
So stepping on like nails that you cut will cause a miscarriage.
Yeah. And even not only yourself, because it's not only for pregnant women, but someone you know, or I used to be
really?
Scared that
just know that.
Some baby's just gonna drop dead somewhere because I accidentally stepped on.
That's why we have to flush the nails down the toilet.
Oh, we were so careful with it. So careful.
Yeah, you were not allowed to have the nails on the floor.
Yeah.
And always in the toilet.
It was
not even the garbage. It's not allowed. Because in the garbage,
you
can end up somewhere where someone's going to step on it.
Yeah.
So it had to be flushed down the sewer. Or some people went to extremes and would burn it.
Yes.
They would collect all their cut off nails.
Yeah.
And they would burn it. That's some like weird voodoo shit. Yes. Strange. Modna. That's another good Yiddish word. Modna. Strange. It means strange. It actually has a translation. Modna. So, the nails one, and then there's also a specific pattern that you have to cut your nails in.
Yes, but I think that's a shulchan aruch, not a superstition.
I thought it was something to do with like also like clippers and also some voodoo stuff.
It's because when someone dies, you cut their nails in a straight pattern. So it's kind of like sentencing death over yourself if you cut them in a like if you cut them all in a row and don't skip
Oh wow.
or something. But that's
Wow, okay, good thing I don't do my own nails. I let the nail lady do whatever she does. I don't know.
I just don't pay attention.
It's also different because we're not cutting it, we're filing it, you know, it's a little different.
I cut my nails, don't file them, and
Do you cut them in that order in that you're supposed to?
no.
I
I
oh
know.
My God, that's so
I know.
scary. Look, we're still scared.
Yeah, I'm like perfectly alive.
Yeah. Hashem.
Yeah.
120. So, what other ones? This one is another one related to death. The not why are we so obsessed with that? The not sewing on your body.
Yeah.
You can't sew man nicht auf a Mensch. Like if you need to fix a button and you're wearing the jacket, you can't sew it while you're wearing it. You have to take it off. And if you're sewing it while you're wearing it, you have to chew a piece of
Thread.
Right. I don't know why that somehow gets the malachamovas away from you. But matun is wel favos, well, because when you're dead, they sew like the tachrichim or something on you, something like that. Something with death also. Some dark stuff, some like creepy stuff. Oh yes.
Dat is te pittelen.
Dat is ja, auf kleine Stückchen oder das Rappen und etwas.
Ja.
Das tun schon weg, was damals mit Brot. And that's more of because of panusa something.
Yeah, so some brood of a dish.
Brood represents like panusa and panusa and it's like the wachstalek panusa.
Yeah.
I took pitzel de panusas ook oké weg te werfen.
Ich meine, sei Kopf so wird aus Brood.
Wie kommt das? Wer hat aufgemacht die Sachen?
Ich habe nicht keine Ahnung.
Was soll der Aufstand von dem? Madne. Was noch du? Buying anything for a baby before, that's more like, I don't know if it's a little bit superstition.
Yeah, no? I think so. Not
to buy, we don't do baby showers or anything before the baby arrives. Everything's only done after the baby arrives.
Yeah.
It's almost like not the jinx
the baby. Yeah.
Or whatever.
Man, they have us living in fear.
It's like that in a lot of cultures too.
That's true.
I see it in other cultures too a lot.
Yeah.
Where they have superstition.
Yeah, I mean, like in Russia, they don't whistle indoors. I mean,
they don't whistle
indoors.
Indoors.
Yeah.
And what is that? Does it have a meaning or just we don't do it?
There's some consequence they think is gonna happen, but I don't know exactly what. There's a lot of these different cultures. We're definitely not the only ones.
Yeah, we're not. It's just very superstitious. You know the song? Writings on the Wall from Stevie Wonder.
I swear if there's one more reference you make that I don't Mijn zal continuancy. De laatste, or de dritte.
De dritte part?
Yeah.
Dus is the end van deze zijde. Right? Ibbe met die hidden weite. That's a reference you probably also don't know.
No, that one I get.
Oh, you do? lachele-veinele?
Just, I don't know, Hasidish tape.
This is the end van deze zijde. There was specifically one guy, lachele-veinele.
Yeah, I've heard of him.
Tape. Yeah.
Yes, I've heard of him.
Ibbe met die hidden weite.
Yeah, my dad used to imitate him sometimes at the Shabbos table, so yeah. I definitely get the reference from that. But I did grow up listening to the Hasidish tapes.
Actually, your dad just sent me a voice note with a recording of, like, with him also doing an impression of lachele-veinele. Yeah. And then we went on talking about, like, me kan hen med det van en marschen. De Shabbos en is dat cholent and de Shabbos en is dat kegel. He just had a way of talking. It was very funny.
Yeah, my dad used to imitate how En Avram Avinu ist gegangen, da kommen Herren, wie Avram Avinu geht.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah.
Und wir können hören, wie die von dem Marschen. He would make sounds with his feet and his hands. It's very funny.
Yeah.
And it sounded like he was shaking a cornflakes box. It was like, die von dem Marschen. And then he added more sound. It was literally like recorded. You can hear the, the click of when you're recording. It was mamish like heimish, made heimish.
Yeah, the Hasidic tapes I grew up listening to were at least
A little more produced.
Slightly more professional.
Yeah,
but
sure.
even if there was like a woman that was supposed to be like the mommy, they couldn't have a woman's voice. So
they had a man talk like this in his head voice.
Yes. It was pathetic.
Do you have Mama Lucian?
Yes.
Mama Lucian Kim. Mama Lucian.
Oh yeah, I love Mama Lucian. I bought the entire, I bought it to download on my phone, and I have the entire thing downloaded on my
That's
phone.
amazing.
It was
I want to hear the Hanukkah one.
I don't have the Hanukkah one.
Songs.
I only bought the Yom Tova one for the high holidays.
Oh yeah.
The Elul. Yes, the Elul one.
Tishra.
Yes, because that's the one we had as kids. So that's the one that was nostalgic to me. So I bought that one. It was
they have 3 albums, I think. Elul Tishra, Shabbos album, and a Hanukkah album.
Yeah, I saw that they had a Hanukkah one. Recently, I noticed it. They still sell some of them in the
cute
stores.
They have really good songs. I think they take old Pirche songs or older songs and they just put new lyrics, Yiddish lyrics to it.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Did. Yeah, it's not like they're not all. Maybe some of them are, but some of them are older songs.
Yeah, but I definitely grew up listening to that one. Mama Lucian and Lami Fuden.
Lami Fuden, I don't know.
The Ich hab zerrissen de naie Wiege, nicht gevald. You have to know that one.
I don't know it. What's our next topic?
The next one is this Hasidic kids chant that we used to sing a lot in school. This has been passed down for generations. Yes. Every generation kind of adds another line to it a little bit, or a different ending to it. So we can go through the base of it, and then maybe you can share if you know your generation.
Okay.
Because it changes every 5 to 10 years, even sometimes.
Really?
Depending on the generation.
I only know 2 versions.
Okay, we'll see then which one you're.
Okay.
Because I know for my parents didn't have a certain ending that my the early 2000s kids ended.
Okay. Yeah. The last line I think was.
Yeah. But then there's now I'm hearing now from our little cousins who are now 6 and 10 about how
there's another added line.
Yes. Now there's a different ending.
And they're still singing it.
Yes, they're still singing it.
Okay.
My parents were singing it when they were kids, and now these little 6 and 10-year-old they're singing it now. This is just. Yeah.
All right, shall we do it?
Yes. Should we just chant the?
You start with Avrum Melamed or Alte Bobbe Sura?
Alte Bobbe Sura.
Alte Bobbe Sura.
Wait, what? There's another start?
Yeah, that's the other version that I know.
Oh. Do you want to first sing the version you know, and then we'll sing
No, let's sing the one that's classic. That's the one, Alte Bobbe Sura, right? That's the classic one. Okay.
Yes.
So.
Alte Bobbe Sura liegt im Bett mit der Schmatte ziegedeckt. Oi wei, gem mich Teig, der Teig ist bitter, gem mich Zicker, der Zicker ist süß, leg dan Fies, der Fies ist kalt.
Oh, okay, the Fies, I mean it. Leg dan Fies, der Fies ist kalt.
Ga in Wald, de Wald hab ich moire, leren teure, de teure ist heilig, es beilig, de beilig ist verdorben, man ist gestorben, I get morgen.
Okay.
Wait, you said the Fies is nass.
Okay, yeah. So, Fies is nass, ga in gas. In gas hab ich, in gas is tinkel, ga in winkel. In winkel hab ich moire, leren teure. There's more versions. Okay, so the other version that I know was, my mother said it was not nice to say Alte Bobbe Sura. She said we should say Avrum Melamed, because Alte Bobbe Sura, it's like you're saying old grandma Sarah. It's not nice to call somebody that. Even though she's an old grandma Sarah, but
my generation, yeah. my generation added at the end, I get morgen, mommy get patch, and humanist kvetched.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but that's just the early 2000s kids that know that one. So like, if you ask my parents, they wouldn't have
I
heard
didn't
it.
know that one. Yeah.
Yeah, and then also now,
Are
like
you
the
a
90s,
2000 kid? No.
2002.
Really?
Yeah, I'm turning
Wow,
24.
you're so young.
Yeah, I'm turning 24 soon.
Are you Gen Z?
Yeah.
Gewald geschrieben.
So like my sister and brother also 2003, 2005. They also know this one that I know.
Okay.
But then the kids that are born 2016, 2020, so they have a different ending, a line that I've never heard before, and I still don't remember what they said, but they're still singing it with.
I don't know.
But they replaced the mommy.
I guess it keeps evolving. It's evolving with time, this chant.
Yeah.
So basically, the way my mother had us sing it because it wasn't nice. Alte Bobbe Sura, she said Avrom Melamed, and also leg down feast wasn't nice.
Yeah, of course.
So she had to say es fish, even though it doesn't even rhyme. So it went like this. Avrom Melamed licked, and also Alte Bobbe Sura licked in bet was like not appropriate. So we had Avrom Melamed licked in schnai. Oy vay gemmach tai, the tai is bitter gemmach ticke, the ticker is east, as fish, the fish is kalt, gayem, nine, sorry, as fish, the fish is,
did you say nas at this point?
The fish is nas, gayem gas, and gas is tinkle, gayem winkel, and winkel abach moire, leren, toire, the toire is jeilig, as beilig, the beilig is verdorben, homonig gestorben, geht morgen. And then sometimes we would add, das doch meine Sorgen.
Ah, see, that
and we also
your
had a different
ending.
song a little bit. So we go, la 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 la. Oy vay gemach da gemach zingen tarara parara parara. Chaps?
Ah,
It's
yeah,
like
we
a
didn't
little bit
have that
different song.
ending completely. Wait, let's
Yeah.
see. Heilig as by the Heilig
Oh yeah, so it is.
Yeah, we did.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
we did.
Same song.
Yes, the tune is the same.
Tune is the same.
Maybe we should go through it a little bit line by line in English.
Okay.
Explain what we're singing here.
It makes absolutely no sense whatsoever.
No, look, one line has nothing to do with the next.
Yeah. Alte Bobbe Sura.
Old Grandma Sarah
Liegt im Bett.
lies in bed.
Mit der Schmatte.
With a rag.
Zugedeckt.
Covered. So she's covered by the rag. The sentence order is turned around.
And then oy vay.
Oh no.
Gemmach tai.
Give me tea.
The tai is bitter.
The tea is bitter.
Gemmach ticker.
Give me sugar.
The ticker is is.
The sugar is sweet.
Leg dan vies.
I said, my generation said lick man fees.
Leg man vies?
Yeah, so her generation says lick your feet.
Lick
and
your
then
feet.
And then my generation said lick my feet.
Lick my feet, because your generation is more obsessed with yourselves. No, I'm joking. Where were we? Oh, leg down fees.
Lick your feet.
Oh, this is getting weird. The fees is koud.
The foot is cold.
Guy in Wald.
Go in the forest.
Or in the woods.
In the woods, yeah.
In Wald heb ik moeite.
I'm scared in the woods.
Leren teure.
Learn Torah.
It makes no sense.
No, it's so stupid.
The teure is heilig.
The Torah is holy.
Es beilig.
Eat chicken breast.
The beilig is verdorben.
The chicken breast is spoiled.
Haman is gestorben.
Haman died.
Agit morgen.
Good morning. And then my generation added mommy get petch and human is sekvet, which is mommy slaps and Haman got squished.
Wow, so Human is mentioned twice here.
Yes.
So much for forgetting. Wow, yeah, that makes absolutely no sense whatsoever.
Nope. But all Hasidish kids grew up with this. You know it. I know it.
Famous. There's a few. This is one of them. Do you know any others?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, I don't know this one.
Machov.
No, I don't know it.
You're serious?
No.
Is this just a my generation thing?
Do you know, einmal hat der Mama gemacht grieselig. Gegeben von Tati, von Mami. No? No?
Nope.
Okay, so maybe we don't know the same thing.
Aleph, Bais, Gimel.
Der Rebbe fliegt in Himmel.
Okay. Yeah, okay, that one, I think we all know.
What about, oi, 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 Shabbos, tanzen alle Babes.
I mean, I grew up singing the
Tata läuft. A Tata läuft. No? What about, v'yaydi, 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 hello, Bobby and Zaidi, kiyatu
That one's new to me.
Then kimsti shonahai. And then we would sing in camp, Elyon, Elyon, ich gehe in big Beton. And the kids from Benayoil would say, ich gehe in Benayoil, and we'd see who could be louder, the Benayoil or the big Beton.
Yeah, I guess I missed out on that one because I didn't go to like summer
Yeah, this was
camp
a typical one
or
that
Hasidish camp.
most kids my age will know this one, the VID, hello, Bobby Zaidi.
Yeah, I guess my kids grew up with the 1, 2, 3, Mach of the Toilet one.
Oh no, I don't know. Shame, shame, baby.
Yeah, because they're a lady. Okay, that one is like shaming baby and then a naked lady. So like maybe it's just referring to breastfeeding.
Oh my god, I did not think of that. I don't know.
We were trying to figure out recently because we were thinking about
So
these things we
funny.
grew up with as kids, and we're like, what is that even? Like, how if they were so sheltered from so many things, but for some reason they were allowed to sing naked lady.
I wonder, do Goyim have like these kind of songs that they sing when they're kids?
Yeah,
So curious.
Yeah, I'm sure they do.
Like these weird that don't make sense.
Yeah, there are a lot. Like
nursery
Cinderella,
rhymes.
dressed in yellow, went upstairs to kiss a fella. By mistake, she kissed the snake. How many doctors did it take?
Oh, so it's like silly kids things that doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but we
So
couldn't
it's
grow
normal.
up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're not that crazy.
No, we just couldn't particularly grow up with like Cinderella kissed a fella because
Right.
it has kissing
Yeah.
and boys and girls. So
Chamereisel,
Reisel,
pittereisel.
Yinga, Lachele-veinele.
I don't know what that means. Chamor eisel, pittereisel. What does that mean?
Well, chamor means
Or
an
not
eisel.
even chamor, or maybe it's just chamer. Chamereisel, pittereisel. We could say it fast. Maybe it is. I don't know what's the origin of it.
I don't know. But that one was used particularly in a situation where we'd find girls and boys in the same scenario, and usually those worlds don't mix until you're a marriable age, and then so if there would be a room where there would be both girls and boys mingling in a way
it'd be like chamereisel, pittereisel.
Yeah.
There's a lot. Let me think. Tippy tippy toe toe. Remember that one?
It's ringing some bells, but I didn't.
Like you do it to a baby. You like tip them. How do you say tip? Pinch them. Like tippy tippy toe toe. And it has a song like, oh, listen to this one. I don't know if you grew up with this one, but my mother used to sing it to me. Tanz, meidele, tanz. Es schockelt sich der Kranz. Kranz means a charm. Es schockelt sich der Morgenstern, wenn wir triffelak alle werden. Hand tot der Morgen, die darfst dich gune sorgen. Tati wird gehen zu Schule im Sucher, in Heim bringen a feine Bucher. Hand tot der Morgen.
I'm just, you're jamming to it. I never heard it, but it's kind of hilarious.
Tati wird gehen zu Schule im Sucher. Tati will go to a Schule im Sucher is a when a baby boy is born, you go the first Shabbos, you go to say hello to the baby. So it's like called the Shulam Zuchir. So Tati will go to Shulam Zuchir, I guess, where there's a baby boy. Obviously referring to the baby when he's older, but you know,
yeah,
it's kind of cute.
It is.
No,
it is kind of cute.
It's kind of cute.
But I never heard it before. But
yeah, my mother would sing it to us.
Yeah, thank you for sharing it though.
Yeah, and then she would have the baby jump. You know, like when you're holding the baby with the hands and it's standing, because babies.
Yeah.
And their feet go like this, so they jump.
Yes.
So that's what she would do, and then she'd be like, "Dance, dance." Yeah. What other ones? Are there any more?
Rikki
Rose, mi zijn gewein, Rose, Rik, mi zijn gewein terug. Ah,
which
I
is
love it.
Kind of like Rikki is kind of like eeny meeny miny mo. It doesn't translate. It's just.
Is it? What's eeny meeny miny mo?
like eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by
No.
if you get. It just sounds to fill
Oh.
in the.
No, but rikki actually has a meaning.
Does it?
Yeah. It means, I don't know what rikki mean, but mi zijn geen broiges. It's when two
No,
kids
that
are
does.
fighting.
No, we zeggen we bruggen says, but the word riggle-riggle-roigus.
Oh, that, yeah. That,
It's like eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Right,
Catch a tiger by
right.
the toe also has a meaning, but just like the start of the song has.
Yeah, the start. Okay, that's what you're saying.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Sorry, I wasn't clear, but yeah.
It's kind of like that. Yeah, it doesn't really have a meaning.
Yes.
Right. Rikki
Yeah. Sorry, you weren't to explain it.
So rikki is basically when two kids are fighting and they're making up. So they like do a pinky promise and they're like rikki.
Like eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Wir zijn geen broiges.
We were angry.
Rikki.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo again.
Wir zijn gaan terug.
We're friends again.
Hey. So
It's kind of cute. It is cute.
yeah.
Let's see if I can think of any more.
So many.
There must be. Yeah,
There must be more. There's one that we would say every time we'd see a dog because we were trained to be afraid of dogs for I don't know what reason. Some generational passed down. Every time we'd see a dog, we would say this little thing, and it went hint, die bist. You know it?
Yes, hint, hint.
Die bist ice of skin.
Kan met de basen, met de griepen man zei de janken, met de wettig terrassen.
Yeah. Or we would say hint, die bist ice of skin. Ich bin janken skin. Ook die best niet basen, met de griepen man. Futter janken, wanneer het nicht terrassen. I guess it's similar, it's just a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And it what does it mean?
Hint, hint, die bist ice of skin.
Dog, you are Esau's child.
Tome beste basen.
If you will bite me,
met de griepen man zei de janken.
I will call my grandfather Jacob.
En het wettig terrassen.
And he will tear you apart.
And then her version.
My version basically said, I am ice of skin. Hint, dog, you are Esau's child. I don't know how to say Esau's child. And I am Jacob's child. If you will bite me, I will call my father Jacob, and he will tear you apart. Similar.
Yes. I think we have reached the end of our Yiddishing.
We have Yiddish today. Jetzt geht man noch Yiddischen. Yeah, we've reached the end of the Yiddishing.
Yes.
For today, although we're never done Yiddishing.
I mean, never.
It's red met als Yiddish.
Yeah, about
the end of this video. Shkoyach.
Yes,
thank you for having me.
Shkoyach van Kimmen.
Goed aangenehm.
Ooh.
Stark aan and I'm so proud of my little cousin.
Aww.
I'll see you guys around.
Yeah.
Come to my shows.
Yes.
I have some shows coming up. So make sure you check it out. Get some tickets. Bring your friends. Buy some merch. Support Yiddish music.
Yes.
And you can follow me on all the platforms everywhere. Social media, Rikki Rose, RIKI_Rose.
Yes, I'll link it all down below.
Okay,
yes.
Amazing. Shkoyach. Zaad gezind en stark.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.